Thank you, Sandra. I believe you do a wee bit of singing too.
Yes, I do.
And you'll maybe sing for us here after a few moments, will you?
Sounds good.
Well, that's great. I always like people that go out of their road to help you. As I said there earlier on, there you do a bit of teaching, and you teach in some of the local schools. Could you tell us what school you're teaching in at the present time?
I'm just down the road in Aberdeen Primary School.
Oh,
so I'm there once a week.
Yeah, that's brilliant. I used to have that school here, some of the pupils singing, but unfortunately that didn't work out. But the headmaster has invited me back again, so well, I'd like to meet him again.
We'll get to rearrange something, I'm sure.
Yes, I look forward to seeing you again. Now, are you going to sing one now or play 2 or 3 to us?
I'll sing a song now.
Right.
This is a beautiful traditional song called The Water is Wide.
The Water is Wide.
I'd say many's a personal recognised tune. It sounds a little bit like When I Survey the Wondrous Cross. It's a beautiful tune.
Well, just you carry on.
Because I find it a little bit like the piano. To the side it looks like a piano keyboard, like the inside of the piano with the strings coloured, though that's the difference. So the red strings are all the note C, so I know where I want to put my fingers, and the black strings are the note F, so that gives me some guidelines as I'm playing. So it's a different technique, of course, from the piano, but I guess just if you're musical, you can pick it up quite easily.
Well, you made it look very, very easy. What would your advice be to some young person that was trying to learn how to play this? Well, what would you say to them would be the correct way to go about it?
Well, it would be getting your hands on an instrument, really, because you wouldn't want to just buy an instrument before giving it a go. But the harp school that I've mentioned over in Garva are great like that. You can rent an instrument while you're having lessons.
Oh, that's good.
And even if you're, say, 6 or 7 years old, there's like a little miniature harp that's very cute, and it gives people a starting point.
Yeah.
to give it a go and see if they like it, and then they might want to buy their own then.
And whereabouts is this school in Garda?
The Hampsey Harp School, it's in the Gada building. It's a lovely black and white brick building just near the town clock, and there's various things going on there. You can learn bora,
Oh yes, I know
or
where it's
a
at.
tin whistle, or a fiddle, all sorts of things going on. Plus there might be meetings for the local Farmers Union group or whatever.
Yeah.
You know, there's various things going on there.
Oh yes, I know where you're talking about. Now, you used to do a wee bit of teaching yourself, didn't you?
Well, that's where I had lessons to begin with, and then I taught there on a Tuesday night for a year, so I
And
enjoyed
do you
that.
still do this teaching?
I don't, I find it too much just on top of school teaching during the day, but I play as much as I can. That's where I love playing at functions or weddings and things like that.
Well, we're getting you to play plenty here, you know, but you're not getting paid for it.
Oh, well, it's good fun. It's good fun.
Yes, well, we certainly enjoy your bit. Maybe play us a couple of pieces.